Hi all. Today we are going to discuss about man instrument system component block diagram. The basic components of this system are essentially the same as in any instrumentation system. The only real difference is here a living human being acts as the subject. The system components are subject, which is the human being on which the measurements is carried out. Stimulus. In many measurements, the response to some form of external stimulus is required. Transducers. It is used for converting one form of energy or signal to another. Signal conditioning unit. It amplifies, modify the signal obtained from the transducer into a suitable form that can be easy to understand and process by rest of the devices that follows. Display equipment. It is used to display the result we obtain from the process. Control feedback. It is used to give feedback to the system for obtaining efficient output. Recording, data processing and data transmission equipment. To record the measured information for possible later use or to transmit it from one location to another. So here, subject is the human being on whom the measurements are made. The external stimulus is an essential part of the man instrument system whenever responses are measured. The stimulus may be visual, example a flash of light, auditory, or direct electrical stimulation of some part of nervous system. In general, transducer is defined as a device capable of converting one form of energy or signal to another. In the man instrument system, each transducer is used to produce an electric signal that is an analog of the phenomenon being measured. The transducer may measure temperature, pressure, flow or any of the other variables that can be found in the body, but its output is always an electrical signal. As indicated in figure, two or more transducers may be used simultaneously to obtain relative variations between phenomena. Next is signal conditioning equipment. The instrumentation system part which amplifies, modifies or in any other way changes the electric output of the transducer is called signal conditioning equipment. The purpose of signal conditioning or signal processing equipment is to process the signals from the transducers in order to satisfy the functions of the system and to prepare signals suitable for operating the display or recording equipment. The output of the signal conditioning equipment must be converted to some form of visual, audible or possible tactile information. For that, we use a display equipment. In the man instrumentation system, the display equipment may include a graphic pen recorder that produces a permanent record of the data. Control feedback. This system usually consists of a feedback loop in which part of the output from the signal conditioning or display equipment is used to control the operation of the system in some way. Next is recording, data processing and transmission equipment. Recording of the measured information is done for possible later use or to transmit it from one location to another, whether within the hospital or around the world. Equipment for these functions is often an important part of the man instrument system. Where automatic storage or processing is required or where computer control is employed, An online analog or digital computer is a part of the instrumentation system. That's all for today. Thank you.